Hello everyone. So finally Christmas DIY video is here. I was not able to post it earlier because I was going with my exams, and so I was not able to find time to shoot this video. But finally it's here, and I'm so happy and relaxed now that this is up. So in this video I'm going to present you some DIYs for Christmas decoration and gift ideas. So my first DIY is, for my first DIY I have taken a cardboard which is covered with white sheet of paper, and I have taken a green fluorescent sheet on which I have drawn a Christmas tree, a small Christmas tree, and I'm cutting it down. You can cut as many small Christmas trees as you can according to the size of your cardboard and according to how much you need to place them. I have pasted these small Christmas tree in a form of a big Christmas tree. You can paste them in any way that you want. And I have pasted 5 rows of these Christmas trees. You can use as many as you want. And now to give them a little more cute look, I have made small bows from red ribbon and I have pasted them under the Christmas tree. At the bottom of the Christmas tree. And now they look more gentleman and nice. And this is a very super easy DIY you can make at the last minute. And it is the last minute. So look how it has turned out, and it looks so pretty and nice. Plus it is so easy to make that you can make it even now, right now. So it looks so beautiful and so pretty, isn't it? You can decorate it with the fairy lights to give it a more, Christmassy look. The second DIY is very simple again. What I have done is I have taken green sheets, light green sheets, A4, and I have cut out 4 triangles from those sheets. And I'm gonna stick those 4 triangles together to make a paper Christmas tree. Again, it's a Christmas tree, but it can be used to decorate your dining table or your mantelpiece and anywhere you want. And it's a very small but pretty looking Christmas tree. What I have done is I have folded all the 4 triangles into half. Make sure your creases are fine and smooth. And I have pasted 2 triangles sticked to each other by their edges. So in this way I have pasted 4 triangles together, and after pasting them they have turned out like a Christmas tree. So make sure to paste them correctly and to make creases very properly. After pasting them, you have to arrange those, triangles a little bit to give the Christmas tree look. So this is how they look after making. Isn't it pretty? And of course, super easy. The third DIY is very simple again. You have to take a jar, a glass jar, and I don't know what I should call this, but it's like a, gift box, or it can be used for your decoration also. I have pasted those 2. I have made 2 small Christmas trees the way I have did earlier and pasted them inside it. I have also put some cotton inside the jar. You can also use fake snow which comes in the market, I guess. Then I have made this small Santa cap and I have rolled around the cotton below and above the Santa cap, and I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna put it inside the jar. And you can even give this as a gift by writing over it the wishes you want to wish for someone, and Otherwise, you can place this underneath your Christmas tree and by writing those wishes of your own. I have also put some silver glitter inside it to make it look more Christmassy and more decorative. I've tied it with a ribbon and a little tag. If you are giving this to someone, then tag is a must, I guess. So that's how it looks, and it is again so pretty, easy, and a very simple DIY which can be made in minutes. So the third DIY is a greeting card. What I have done is I have cut out circles out of scrapbooking paper, and I'm gonna make 3D Christmas balls. The way I made the Christmas tree, it is the same the same technique I'm going to apply on making the Christmas balls. I have taken 12 circles for making each Christmas ball. I folded the circles in half and then I joined the circles together by their edges, and they turned out to be a 3D Christmas ball. You can use as many circles as you want, but I have used 12 for mine. You need to also give the shape to the circles because they stick together to each other. And then I made 3 Christmas balls and I pasted them on my greeting card. And now you can decorate your greeting card as you want. I showed them hanging to something and then I wrote Merry Christmas with a green brush pen below. I don't know if you can hear the dog's noises, but if you can, then I apologize for that. So again, the fifth DIY is a greeting card, and in this greeting card, I have used watercolors and I have made a hot chocolate mug with some Christmas candies and some lights and some leaves and cherries. And yes, of course, whipping cream. And I have wrote warm wishes on this greeting card. You can write anything you want. And of course, you can decorate it with some glitters and some other ornaments. I try to keep it simple, and isn't this look pretty? So cute, pretty, and this is giving me so much Christmas feels, and this is so nice, just nice. I think I should stop praising myself. Okay, anyway, so that's how my fourth and fifth DIY, which were greeting cards, have turned out. I thought of placing my greeting card in a box which I found in my local stationery shop. And for decorating the box, I made a snowflake cut out from a white sheet of paper and I pasted it on the box, and I decorated the box with some ribbon, tags and other ornaments, and I also wrote Happy Holidays and Ho 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 on this gift box. So here I am tying the ribbon to my box. I hope you like this video and all the DIYs which I have made. Make sure to tell me in the comments that which DIY you like the most. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. And if you love this video, then subscribe it. And don't forget to share this video to your friends. And here is all the 5 DIYs which I made in this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Like, subscribe and comment, and I'll link down all the supplies that I have used in this video in the description box below. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.